Acme Educational Publications. Number 1, Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics, Early Year Foundation Stage 2. Are you ready for the next challenge? Fantastic. Let's start with our first word. Can you guess the missing letters and the beginning sound? Take your time. Great try. The missing letters are G, P, and E. So, the word is grapes. Now let's move on to the next one. What's the beginning sound and which letters are missing? You're doing amazing. The missing letters are H and S. That makes the word hose. Now for our final word. What's the beginning sound and which letters are missing? Ah, wonderful job. The missing letters are I and O. That spells igloo. Well done, little wordsmiths. Keep up the fantastic work in exploring the magic of letters and sounds. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.